Good morning, everyone. Today we will start our chapter checkup because all the exercise we have completed. So see, in chapter checkup I will solve one question from each part. Then rest of the remaining questions you have to solve. Okay. See, first question, find the value of the unknown. See, here you have to find the value of the unknown place, unknown number. Now see, this is given to you 3 by 8 is equal to 1, 3 by 8. Okay, now see, here nothing is given, so you have to put here x plus 3 by 8 is equal to 1, 3 by 8. Now see, x plus 3 by 8 is equal to, it is given in mixed fraction, you have to convert it into proper fraction. Now see, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. Okay, now see, first of all, here one is nothing is given in denominator, so put here 1. So x by 1 into 8 plus 3 by 8. Why this become? Because of LCM is equal to 11 by 8. Now see, 8x plus 3 by 8 is equal to 11 by 8. See, when the denominators are same, you can directly cut it. Now see, 8x is equal to 11 minus 3. So it will become your x is equal to 11 minus 3. It is 8 by 8 divided 1. X is equal to 1. Okay, this is your answer. So what will come here? 1. So see, this is your A. Now see next question. Question number B, C, D, E, F. These all questions you have to solve. D I will solve. Okay. See question number D. X plus 5 by 19 is equal to 3 by 19. Here already x is given. So just find the value. See here 19 is given. So x by 1 plus 5 by 19. It will become your 19 into 19 is equal to 3 by 19. Now see 19x plus 5 by 19 is equal to 3 by 19. Here also denominators are same, so you can directly divide it. Now see 19x is equal to 3 minus 5. 19x is equal to minus 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 by 19. This is your answer. Okay, so now see E and F that you can solve by yourself. Now see question number 2. Complete the following equations by balancing on both sides. Okay, here you have to balance the equations. See question number 2. See first वाला हम करेंगे. After that rest of the 2 questions, that is your homework that you have to do by yourself. Now see A. Z by 2 minus 2 is equal to 26. So Z by 2 minus 2 by 1 into 2 is equal to 26. Okay. So Z by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 26. Now say Z minus 4 by 2 is equal to 26. Okay. Now say Z minus 4 is equal to 26 into 2. Okay, no, wait. Here they are asking, see, therefore the value of Z by 2 they have asked. So directly you can find the value of Z by 2. So Z by 2 is equal to 26 plus 4 by 2. Okay, so it will become your, directly you can multiply it. So 26 multiply by 2 by 1 multiply by 2 plus 4 by 2. It will become your 52 by 2 plus 4 by 2. It will become your 56 by 2. Okay, so you can write here 56 by 2 or directly you can divide it. Okay, so no need to divide, you can directly write this. Now see, Question number B and C is your homework. Now question number 3, determine by substitution if minus 2 is the root of 5x is equal to 2. Third, see, determine by substitution if they are asking that if minus 2 is the root of 5x is equal to 10. So solve the equation 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 5. Here you are getting 2, x is equal to plus 2 you are getting, but what is the given in the question, that is minus 2. So no, minus 2 is not the root of 5x is equal to 10, that you have to determine here. Okay, B वाले में भी आपको ऐसे करना है, C वाले में देख लेना 2 is the root of x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now see, for solve the following. Question number 4 we will solve. 4, 9x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18 by 9 will become your 2. So value of x is equal to 2. B वाला आप देखिए, 4a is equal to 12, a is equal to 12 by 4, a is equal to 3. So see, question number 4 is very easy, you can solve it very easily. See, question number 5 we will solve now. From an equation, here you have to make the equation, okay. After that you have to show that what is the number here after solving the equation. Now see, question number 5. 1.5 times a number, 1.5 times a number is 150. What is the number? 1.5, see, x by 2. 1.5 times a number is 150 is 150. Okay, this is your 1.5. 1.5 means okay, ये आपका number है, right here like this. Okay, 1.5 a number is 150. Now solve the number. 3 by 2 x is equal to 150. 3x is equal to 150 into 2, x is equal to 150, 2 by 3, 15, 0, x is equal to 100. So what is the number you got here? That is 100. Now see next question. I am thinking of a number 5 times that number is 65. What is that number? Means the number which they are thinking is 5 times of a number, means 5 times the number is, that is 65. Okay, so see, just suppose the number to be think is, let the number be x. Okay, 5 times that number is 65. 5 times of that number is 65. X is equal to 65 by 5. X is equal to 13. This is your answer. Now see question number 6. Solve. See, these equations are very easy. You can solve it by yourself, but 2 questions I will solve from that. Question number 6. The question is q by 6 is equal to 7. Okay, here you have to find the value of q. So q is equal to 7 into 6. That is 42. This is your answer. Okay. Now see question number B. This is your A. Now see question number G or H. H I will solve. Question number H. Minus 13 by 2x is equal to 26. Yes, 26. Now see, minus 13x is equal to 26 multiplied by 2. Okay, you can cross multiply it is in divide, so when you are taking it into the opposite side, it will become in your multiply. So x is equal to 26 multiplied by 2 divided by minus 13. So when you are dividing it, it will become your minus 2. X is equal to minus 4. This is your answer. Now see question number 7. Here also you have to solve the equations. See equation number 7. ए वाला तो आप खुद ही सॉल्व कर लोगे, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. सी आई विल सॉल्व. सी ओके, दैट इज x minus 10 is equal to 10. Not 10, that is minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 10. Okay, minus 10 or plus 10 is equal to 0. This is your answer. So rest of the questions from question number 7 that you have to solve. Now see question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर ई में करवा देती हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का ई वाला ई 13y is equal to 12y plus 100. Okay, it is minus 12. Now see minus 12y, here 13y. So same variables you have to take to the same side. It will become your plus 12y is equal to 100. Okay, as it is 100 हमने इस साइड लिख दिया. Now see 25y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 divided by 25 will become your 4. So what is the value of y you got here? That is 4. Okay. So now see rest of the questions from question number 8. That is your homework. You have to solve it by yourself. All the questions you have to solve in your classwork copy. Okay. So from question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 that we will solve in our next lecture. So complete up to question number 8. Okay. Thank you.